to my channel. In today's session we are going to discuss Dalit literatures EMCQs for the UGC NET. There are the 50 questions, so let's start. First question, let's see, who considered the father of Dalit literature in India? So here Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jyotirao Phule, Sharan Kumar Limbale or Baburao Bagul. So the correct option is the father of Dalit literature of India is known as Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Question number 2. What is the primary theme of Dalit literature? Dalit literature का primary theme क्या है? So here is a correct option. Option number C, social injustice and caste oppression. Question number 3. Which book is written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? यहाँ पे books के नाम दिए गए हैं. Jhutan, Waiting for Visa, Akkarmashi, Annihilation of Caste. So the correct option is Annihilation of Caste by the B.R. Ambedkar. Option number A is correct. Now the question number 4. Who authored the book Jhutan? Jhutan book किसने लिखा है? So Jhutan is a very famous Dalit literature text written by the Om Prakash Valmiki. You have to study the whole work of Om Prakash Valmiki. So the option number A is correct. Question number 5 is here. Which Dalit writer is known for the poem Golapit? So here Golapit's writer name is Namdev Dhasal. He is a Marathi writer, Marathi Dalit writer, and he wrote the poem Golapit, which is famous by the Namdev Dhasal. What is the genre of the book Akkarmashi? So the Akkarmashi जो book है उसका genre क्या है? तो उसका genre है autobiography. और ये autobiography जो है वो किसने लिखा है? आप मुझे कमेंट में ज़रूर बताएं कि अक्करमाशी जो वर्क है वो किसका है. Otherwise you have to do study it. Which moment significantly influenced Dalit literature? So the here Dalit Panther movement. Which movement? The Dalit Panther movement that significantly influenced Dalit literature. Now question number 8. Who is the author of Karukku? So the author of Karukku is Bama. Bama is a writer of Karukku. Now the question number 9. The Prison We Broke is an autobiography of which Dalit writer? ये एक famous autobiography है दलित writer की, and the name of the writer is बेबी कामले. According to the net point of view, दलित literature में बेबी कामले को भी पढ़ना बहुत important है. Now the turns toward the question number 10. Which Dalit writer won the साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड? कौन से दलित राइटर को साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड मिला है उसकी ऑटोबायोग्राफी के लिए? सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज लक्ष्मण गायकवाड़. इनके ऑटोबायोग्राफी को उन्हें क्या मिला है? साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड मिला है. देन नेक्स्ट, हु रोड द बुक आउटकास्ट अ मेमोर? सो आउटकास्ट अ मेमोर जो है ये बुक किसने लिखा है? सो इट इज़ रिटन बाय द नरेंद्र जाधव. Narendra Jadhav is the correct answer. Now the question number 12. Which language is primarily used in Dalit literature? From Maharashtra. So the Maharashtra's primary language of writing Dalit literature is obviously Marathi language. Who is the author of that Tiraskirt? So the Tiraskirt is also a work which is on Dalit literature written by the Surajpal Chauhan. Then question number 14. Jeene Amcha. Jeena Amcha is a autobiography by which Dalit writer? So Jeena Amcha ये autobiography है, and the writer of that the Baby Kamble. Okay. So then Jeena Amcha, it is a Baby Kamle's work. Which Dalit writer's work focuses on the exploitation of Dalit women? किस दलित ऑथर का जो वर्क है वो फोकस करता है exploitation of Dalit women? So the option number B, Bama is correct. Then the Dalit Panther movement was founded in which year? Dalit Panther movement जो है वो 1972 में founded हुआ था. Now the question number 17. Who authored the collection of poems titled Golpit? ये हमने पहले भी क्वेश्चन पढ़ा है. तो गोलपिट किसका है? नामदेव ढसाल का है. Then अंतस्फोट. अंतस्फोट इज रिटन बाय दलित राइटर. अंतस्फोट कौन से दलित राइटर ने लिखा है? तो ये कुमोद पावड़े ने लिखा है. देखो ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क है अंतस्फोट, written by the Kumod Pavde. And then question number 19. Which of these is a famous Dalit women's autobiography? So जो The Prison We Broke जो है वो एक दलित women autobiography है. Then question number 20, who wrote Against All Odds, the struggle of Dalit women? So the Shantabai Kare. Okay, who wrote the Against All Odds, the struggle for Dalit women. Now the question number 20, when Dalit Sahitya Kavya Shastra was written by? So the Dalit Sahitya Kavya Shastra was written by Om Prakash Valmiki, जिन्होंने झूठन भी लिखा है. Now the book Pangrun is associated with which author? तो बुक पांगरून जो है वो किस ऑथर से बिलोंग करती है? सो द ऑप्शन नंबर सी, महेश मांजरेकर. एंड ही रोट, उनकी लाइफ से रिलेटेड एसोसिएटेड है उनसे द बुक पांगरून. महेश मांजरेकर इज अ मराठी एक्टर ऑल्सो, इवन ही वर्क इन बॉलीवुड ऑल्सो, सो ही इज़ अ एक्टर ऑल्सो. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द मेन फोकस ऑफ द बुक करोकू बाय बामा? बामा का जो बुक है करोकू, उसका मेन फोकस क्या है? सो उसका मेन फोकस जो है वो है दलित क्रिश्चियन एक्सपीरियंसेस. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट, विच दलित राइटर इज़ नोन फॉर द ऑटोबायोग्राफी बलूता? बलूता ये बहुत फेमस मराठी लिटरेचर में भी फेमस बुक है, दया पवार का बलूता. इफ़ यू हैव द बुक देन यू कैन श्योरली रीड इट. सो विच इज़ ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ दया पवार? दैट इज दगड़ू मारुति पवार. Then question number 25, who wrote the novel The View of My Life? So it is written by Urmila Pawar. Don't confuse between the group Pawar and Urmila Pawar. Which writers works focus on the life of Dalits in Tamil Nadu? जैसे मराठी में राइटर्स है वैसे तमिल में भी दलित लिटरेचर लिखने वाले. तो ऑप्शन में कौन से ये जो दलित राइटर है उसमें आपको चूज़ करना है कि तमिलनाडु से कौन बिलोंग करता है. ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि विच इज़ रिलेटेड विद द पंजाब एंड ऑल. Daya Pawar, Lakshman Gaikwad, these are related with the Maharashtra. So the Bama is a correct option. Bama is related to the Tamil Nadu and she is also a Dalit writer. Then who wrote Uchakka? So the here correct option is Lakshman Gaikwad. Uchakka is written by him. Then who wrote the poem Mother that reflects the Dalit women's struggle? किसने मदर पोएम लिखा है जिसमें दलित women का struggle reflect होता है? So it is written by the Jyoti Lanjewar. So the B is a correct option here. Now question number 29. Which Dalit writer's autobiography is titled by Childhood on My Shoulder? So ये ऐसे कौन से दलित autobiography राइटर है जिनके टाइटल है बुक का My Childhood on My Shoulders? So the correct option is Shivraj Sachin Beng. Okay. So here question number 30. Aidan is on an autobiography of which Dalit women writer? So it is a Urmila Pawar. Remaining 10 questions we will see in the next video.